Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the quad jump in Blade League. This advanced technique lets you perform 4 consecutive aerial boosts, giving you a significant advantage in movement. To activate it, simply press the jump button 4 times in quick succession after your initial jump. Mastering the timing is key to achieving maximum height and covering greater distances across the map. It's perfect for reaching elevated areas or traversing challenging obstacles. Achieving the full potential of the quad jump relies heavily on precise timing. You'll want to press the jump button for each subsequent boost just as your character reaches the apex of the previous jump. A very slight, almost imperceptible, delay between each press will maximize your vertical momentum. Spending about 10 to 15 minutes in the training arena will significantly improve your muscle memory and consistency. Poor timing will unfortunately lead to a much lower jump and less effective movement. Beyond basic movement, the quad jump offers numerous strategic advantages. You can use it to flank opponents by dropping on them from unexpected high ground, giving you a tactical edge. It also unlocks many hidden pathways and shortcuts across the game's diverse maps, allowing for quicker rotations. When facing a difficult situation, a well-timed quad jump can provide a swift escape by rapidly gaining altitude. Try combining it with a dash or glide for even more complex and effective maneuvers. For advanced players, conserving your boosts is vital. Only use the number of jumps required for your objective. Familiarize yourself with specific jump-off points on every map that allow for the most efficient quad jump usage. Practicing mid-air directional control during the 4-jump sequence will enable you to adjust your trajectory precisely. Remember, after fully utilizing all 4 jumps, there's a brief cooldown period of about 3 seconds before you can initiate another full quad jump sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.